Hey guys, Alex here, back with another video. So interest rates have increased a lot recently and it's scaring a lot of the buyers away, but luckily there are a couple of things that we can do to help make this a better market for everybody. Okay, so one of the things that a lot of people don't know about or don't think about is what's called seller financing. Okay, and in short terms, basically all this is basically an agreement between the buyer and the seller. Instead of going through a normal bank to get a loan, you're basically using the seller. Okay, it's an IOU. Instead of paying the seller off in full as soon as you close, you're basically making incremental payments as if you're paying a mortgage to a lender. Okay, so seller financing is awesome because you can be as creative as you want. There's pretty much no guidelines. You could do whatever you want, charge whatever interest rate you want, put however much down you want, as long as both parties come to the agreement. Okay, so I ran a couple of scenarios. If you're getting seller financing and you're getting charged a 4% interest rate, you're putting down 20%, and on the same home, your payment's going to be $1,900. If you're going the normal route, going to a lender, getting charged market rates, which is 7.25%, putting down 20% down on the same home, you're going to have to pay $2,700. Okay, so that's just the power of seller financing. I know I didn't go super deep into it. It's a lot of stuff, okay? So that's why I'm not. I could do it in another video if you'd like. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out at any time. See ya.